Deleting your Facebook account is a straightforward process, but it involves several steps to ensure that all your data is removed and the account is permanently deleted. So first we have to go here in security and privacy, and here's the option. We have to go here in personal details, and this is the option account ownership and control, and this is the actual option, deactivation or deletion. So here are two options: you are deactivating your account or delete account. So we're going to delete our account, so we have to click here, continue. There are some reason you have to choose. So I spent too much time on Facebook, continue. So we click here to continue. We have to put our password. Delete account. Yep, it's deleted.